The National Student Financial Aid Scheme has issued an important circular today, reminding landlords that the next accommodation payment is scheduled to be processed on the 17th of April 2025. The cutoff time for submission is set for 12 o'clock p.m. on the 9th of April 2025. In preparation for this payment cycle, NSFAS has requested all solution partners to provide a comprehensive list of students who have applied for NSFAS accredited accommodation. This list will be subject to approval by the respective institutions to confirm each student's eligibility for accommodation or transport. NSFAS would like to assure landlords that for students not included in the global list from the solution partners, payments will still be processed based on the registration template submitted by institutions. NSFAS urges all participating institutions, both universities and TVET colleges, to submit their confirmations by the established deadlines of 12 o'clock p.m. on the 9th of April 2025. Institutions are also encouraged to identify and report any students who are in the NSFAS accredited accommodation list but do not appear on their list. NSFAS will then work collaboratively with the solution partner to rectify any discrepancies. NSFAS would like to reiterate the call to accommodation providers to refrain from evicting students and to collaborate with the scheme in submitting their accommodation claims according to the guidelines provided. This cooperation is crucial in ensuring that students who are often in vulnerable situations maintain stable living conditions while pursuing their studies. NSFAS expresses gratitude to all accommodation providers, colleges, universities, and student unions for their continued support and dedication in assisting students. These efforts are important to create a safe and supportive learning environment for students. This voice note is by Ishmael Mnisi, the NSFAS spokesperson.